Hi guys, welcome back to class. So in this class I'll be teaching you how to detangle a water coils, a coily wig, because they look more tangled. They're always more tangled than the regular wigs, than your straight wigs. So this is what this wig is looking like. This is the front part and this is the back part of the wig. So the first thing I did was me placing the wig on a stand so it can be convenient for me to detangle it. After doing that, I went in by sectioning my hair to 2 lines. I want to detangle it and I want to make sure I work in sections. I like to work in sections. So I will section the hair to 2 lines. And after sectioning my hair to 2 lines, I'm going to look for an empty bottle and I'm going to pour water inside this bottle because I'm going to be spraying water on this hair before detangling to just make it easier for me to detangle. By the time I press water on it, by the time there's water on this hair, the detangling process is going to be very easy for me without any stress. So this is me detangling the 2 lines I first sectioned with my detangling brush, which is the hard brush. I sectioned 2 lines, I detangled it with my hard brush, which is my detangling brush. Then I come in with my water. I sprayed my water from the bottle. The reason why I'm doing this is to make the hair soft and to make the hair easy for me to detangle without any stress. See the way it's looking now compared to the way it was looking when I was detangling it at first. And I'll be forwarding this video because I'll fast forward it because I don't want to waste anyone's time. I'm doing the same thing throughout. In this video, the same process is what I'm going to do throughout. So I'm just fast forwarding it so I don't waste your time.